Hi, we're Progressive Path Humanitarian Engineering, and my name is James Cook. I'm the founder and CEO, and our faculty advisor is Dr. Jared Schaff. We're currently partnered with a legal team who's working with us on our mutual NDA, our IP assignment, and our products liability analysis. These are all extremely important to our business to protect our proprietary information and protect us from a liability standpoint of our product. We believe in two facets. One of those is that we're a for-profit business and we're here to make money. But at the same time, we believe in what we do. We want to make a difference. We want to have huge impact, and we believe in what we do. We realized throughout developing our product that we're touching many different facets of social impact. Initially starting with food security, we were blown away by how much food was actually wasted, not only in the first world, but in the developing world as well. We can see here that the problem was when these fishermen go out in these local communities where we went and investigated this problem, the fishermen would go out, catch the fish, the women would take it to market, and there was really no ice to help them preserve the freshness of the fish. So that's where we came in. This particular test site was in a place called Lombok, Indonesia. It's just east of Bali. Our solution is a solar thermal ice maker that uses no electricity, no solar panels, no batteries, anything of that nature. It purely uses thermodynamics and the energy from the sun to move a refrigerant through the system, and we create the ice that way. This is an example of the solution of our device built there on the island of Lombok. And voila, here we have ice on the fish. So our current market opportunity, we're in the phase one part as of right now. So we're working with local communities and small NGO groups, but we hope to phase that out into a 2 and a 3 and just work with larger and larger organizations and build our customer base. The end goal, the best of the best, would be working with large institutions such as FEMA, USAID, and other foreign government entities similar to FEMA in post-disaster situations. As part of our customer validation, we conducted many, many interviews in the developing world, in Indonesia and other places. And every single person we talked to rated food security as a 5 out of 5 that they dealt with on a daily basis. And 94 out of 106 of our interviewees said that they would be willing to pay for this because they realize how much of an impact it's going to make in their lives. One story in particular I found really touching to me was 6 months later after we had our first test site running, we went back and to get feedback and in Indonesia there, and one of the women told me that she was now able to send all 5 of her kids to school instead of having to choose 1 or 2. So as far as our business model goes, we have everything broken down and a go-to market strategy. And so we have that cost all broken down here in detail and our projected revenues as far as a 5-year plan and sales as well. Our current competitors utilize expensive photovoltaic systems, and they basically plug those into traditional ice makers. This is extremely expensive. The logistics are very difficult. Our competitive advantage against those folks is that we're inexpensive and quickly deployable. So this is extremely good for us in post-disaster situations. We require little to no infrastructure, and we're in a unique position to bridge the gap and have a lot of memorandum MOUs with local entities. Our vision, we're very excited about. We hope to move into medical. So as far as blood donations, breast milk, and we're really excited to, we're in talks with certain organizations to help the deployment of the COVID-19 vaccine here, hopefully sooner than later. We have a lot of traction. We're in 5 different places across the globe right now, and we're getting feedback from those sites as we speak. Again, we've partnered with one Fortune 500 company, dealt with many government organizations, and we now have our DUNS cage code and are on the SAM system, so we can now get the federal contracts. A friend of mine there, Jan Yatra, had a testimonial for us as well, and we are seeking $20,000 in funding. And we plan to use a majority of that for refining our product. But essentially, the more money we have, the faster we can grow, and the faster and bigger difference we can make in increasing our social impact. Thank you very much, especially for taking the time for listening to me and for taking action on humanity. Thank you.